Hey everyone, welcome back to Bootcamp. It's Tira. I'm gonna go ahead and explain workout for week 2, day 1. So we have 6 different rounds. In each round we have 2 exercises. We're gonna spend a certain amount of time working and then a certain amount of time resting. That work and rest time changes with each exercise, or changes with each round that is labeled in the PDF file that I sent you. So round 1, we're gonna work for 40 seconds and we're gonna rest for 20. We're gonna do a military dumbbell press. What that looks like, we're gonna take 2 dumbbells, hold them this way, and you guys are gonna bring up at the top. Meet at the top, but avoiding clanking at the top because then you guys might lose balance. So you're gonna bring back down, meet at the top, continuous for 40 seconds, okay? We're gonna take a 20-second break and prepare for your squat. We're just gonna do a regular body weight squat. You guys have all done squats before. If you want to hold a dumbbell at your chest, you're welcome to do that. You're gonna squat for 40 seconds, and then you have another 20-second break after that. You're gonna do the military press and the squats 3 times through, 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off, and that concludes round 1. All right, moving on to round 2, we're gonna work for 45 and rest for 15. So 45 seconds of leg lifts. What that looks like, we're on our mat on the ground. This is a core exercise. So we're lifting our legs simultaneously, keeping your core engaged, continuing to breathe. 45 seconds straight, 15-second break, and then our second exercise of the round is a dumbbell bicep curl to press. So what that looks like is you guys are holding your dumbbells out this way. You're gonna curl it up, rotate, press up into a military press similar to what we did before, bring it back down, and then continue the motion, okay? 45 seconds of that, then you're gonna take a 15-second break before going back into your leg lifts. 3 times through, and that concludes your second round. All right, moving on to your third round, we're back to 40 seconds of work, 20 seconds of break. We're gonna do a squat jack. What that looks like, it's like a mixture of a squat and a jumping jack. So you're gonna squat out, bring both feet together, meet in the middle into a kind of a little hop. So you guys are going for 40 seconds of that. Take a 20-second break, and then we're gonna go into a side plank. So we're down on the mat, elbow and on our feet. If you guys need to bring it to your knees, that's totally fine. You're gonna hold it for the full 40 seconds. And then the second round, you're gonna switch sides. So we're gonna do 3 full rounds of your squat jack and your side plank. 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off. That concludes round 3. Moving into round 4, we have 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off. We're gonna do what's called a seated row. So if you guys have a chair or a bench or something at your house, you guys are basically just gonna bring the dumbbells up and row towards your chest. Notice how I'm bending at the shoulders and the elbows, and I'm bringing my dumbbells close to my armpits, okay? Then we're gonna go into a lateral lunge. So you guys can use body weight, or if you have a weight, you can hold it at your chest. You're just gonna lunge to the side and alternating sides for 45 seconds. 15-second break after that, go back to the seated row, complete 3 times, okay? Moving into your 5th round, 40 seconds on, 20 seconds switch. We're gonna do a jump squat, but we're only gonna jump on every 3rd repetition. So you guys are gonna do a regular squat, 2, 3, on the 3rd repetition, bring it to a jump, okay? 2, 3, and jump. And then after your 20-second break, you're gonna go into lateral dumbbell raises. So you're gonna grab your dumbbells again, and this is a shoulder exercise. You're gonna laterally raise your dumbbells to the side, pushing up and then resisting gravity on the way back down. 40 seconds of work, 20 seconds of switch back into your jump squat, 3 times through. The last round of the day, we're only gonna do 1 time, which means we're gonna increase the amount of time you're gonna work. So you're gonna work for 50 seconds, and then you only have 10 seconds in between. So 50 seconds of high knees. You guys have done that before. Bring your knees to your chest, hopping in between each repetition. If you guys need to bring it to a march, That's totally okay as well. 10-second switch, and then your last 50 seconds is gonna be a regular plank. So on your elbows, straight line from my shoulders to my feet, full 50 seconds, last 50 seconds of the day. If you guys need to bring it to your knees, that's totally fine as well. And that concludes today's workout. Thank you for joining me. As always, email me with any questions. Look out for an email from me on Wednesday. Have a wonderful week.